Is it the things that I did for putting you bitches on? Is it my fault that all of you bitches gone?
Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, just sit your drunk ass on that fucking runway, ho. I can't be your Superman. Can't be your Superman. Can't be your Superman. Can't be your Superman. Most to be trusting my stance. I am not human, I'm way too advanced, dickhead. Come here, come get this. Na 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 na. Come here, come get this. Na 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 na.
Oh, what? Do you want an apology? Is that why you're pouting, big baby boo? Well, try this on! Let's pack up. Looks like you and me are taking a little vacation. Forever.
I can tell by love you, even though I try not to. I can't help but want you. I know that I drive
What are you doing? Why are you still holding back? Have you forgotten what they said to us? What they did? They think you're a monster. Prove them right.
I am done being the good guy. You all don't deserve me.